Subscribe to Highest Good, where we tell you your future.
Hi there, my lovely Pisces. On Monday, you glow and blush when there is a talk of love. This time is likely to bring love to the center stage of your life. This is either a new relationship or a powerful rebonding of an old one. Either way, you will be quite happy about how romance is going. You make promises living together forever. You share your joy with those around you who need it. Life will feel blissful to married couples too. After a long time, they feel attached and true bonding. On Tuesday, resolving issues behind the scenes, working through finances and joint resources and business partnership issues, make sure you do listen as well as talk. You are entering a creative or productive period now. You're full of ideas, but you need to give some of them the flick and follow others through. In all the talk, secrets come to light. What plans have you put into place for the next 12 months? Over the next 2 days, subconscious mood swings give you the chance to ascertain how events and people hold you back from your true potential. You'll be in tune with the feelings of other people, so show sympathy and compassion. This may even be extended to foster caring of pets. On Wednesday, you may need to visit hospitals, institutions, and healthcare services to look after a partner's health or be in touch with a friend in need. However, it is most important to understand yourself, your past conditioning, and how you react when facing challenges or conundrums in your job, health, and lifestyle. Secrets may surface, so it is best to keep matters to yourself. You will experience the urge to splurge on luxuries. More money than usual seems to flow out on social or cultural events as well as on investments to enhance your appearance or the attractiveness of your environment. Wealth connected with social status may come up. Remain thrifty and put some money aside for a rainy day. A short-lived romance or attraction may hit your senses together with last-minute invitations to events and meeting bohemian or unusual types of people through groups. On Thursday, the third house of multitasking is highly active during this day, as that can bring some issues regarding the neck and shoulder area. There are chances of minor physical issues whenever your third house is activated. Minor issues like cold and fever are also possible. There will be a lot of work with your hands. This house indicates intellectual projects and multitasking. There will be a lot of projects and that may make you scattered. This is a good time for dental and eye care. Stay away from harsh lights to improve your vision. Your emotional issues can be more important for you this week, and that can bring some issues with your partner. On Friday, communications make all the difference. Keep them formal and practical, but get the message across. Information could be a missing factor, so be ready to provide it or seek it out depending on what's needed. Today might be blues day as the moon slides into your sign, but at least you will be able to talk about it later in the day when Mercury dances in your sign. Get it out there. The moon is in your sign advises you to take a step back with your social life, perhaps having much needed private time or just waiting out a delay or a disruption. On Saturday, keep your eyes on the horizon, but make sure you're ready to adopt fresh strategies or new ways of thinking. Venus moves into your sign in a flamboyant way, so you'll just have to join the ego trip. You won't be able to contain the urge to splurge, so if you must spend up, make sure your eyes are not bigger than your belly. The day brings you up to the plate to take a swing or get involved. You're shaping up to engage in skillful or vigorous activity with good cuisine and some downtime thrown in. The weekend urges you to get your budget in order and maybe to revise your priorities after the weird week that's been. On Sunday, energy will be high, setting you on a trail of skillful activities and enjoyable recreations. Do the business by taking the initiative this week. First up, friends will feature, and it's an excellent time for a gathering for food and talk. The day might seem a bit depressing, but snuggle in the arms of your love and let your feelings roll. Mercury dancing into your sign will loosen your tongue, so watch that secrets do not come out. Draw back a little into the shell and enjoy creative activity and private time with your love. Exchange a confidence or share a secret. You're probably waiting for something to take its course or make its mark. So if it's only a matter of time, Venus, the love goddess, shakes off the waters of your sign and springs it into the fiery Leo, loosening your purse strings as well as your need to tell everyone all about it. Joint income or the finances of a joint venture of one kind or another will be on your mind. You may have to play the peacemaker. The end of the week will bring you fun and pleasure and a little leeway to indulge in your favorite foods and pastimes. Spend time with your love on the weekend, going over the books and planning for the future.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.